Hello guys, how are you? And I hope you will be fine and good in your place. Guys, here you can see the thumbnail of which I composed. Push click, and you can also see the text. Push clicks notification problem solve inside of timebucks. Many peoples in the world who are use this timebucks website for online earning. I am also user and working since last 2 years, and there is much problem we faced in a timebucks, but the notification problem is the most people are faced nowadays. So I just find a trick, or I just find a solutions of this problem. I mean push click notification problems. I have a solution. When many peoples are push clicks and they have problem after 1 day, after 2 day, after 3 days, they more problem, and day by day and day by nights when they get up and search the push click, they have nothing push click, because when your website has not green and tick correct sign, so you can fail about achieve a daily goal. So like me, you are also very sad, very worry about the notification problems. So now watch my this video and you can able to fix these problems. Just let us start. So guys, you are on your dashboard of timebucks, and you can see here all the text and also all the interface you can see here, but I just let you go with me on this icon. You can see here the lock icon. Just click on it. When you are click on it, some text box appear on your eyes. So just go down and click on the site setting, and you will be see the window will be open, a new window or page in front of you on your screen. So you can see here there is a setting. It's all okay setting according to my screen, according to my this setting. It's all okay settings, not anyone the on a wrong place. All is okay, but did not get notifications. Now we search where is the problem. You can see here many text written on the icon or in front of your line in the icon, but you can see on this double click or click up and down, and at the end you can see privacy and security. Click on it and go just down. Here you can see side setting. There is a most important setting. So click on this side setting and go little much down, and here you can see the notification. Just click on it, notification, and you can see here notifications. Site can ask to send notification, use quitter messages, and do not allow site to. So this is our place. This is our place where my cursors you can see revolving here. This is my case. Here just consider here, customize the behavior. Sites listed below following custom setting instead of the default. So now this is the point, and this is the point. Here first you can look here, not allowed to send notification, and my website is timebox is here, because the heading or title of the not allowed to send notification, I hope that you are understand that when you read this message, right? So when your site is here, it mean you can't allow this websites to sending the notification. So the solution is this: you can, or you will be remove, or you will have to remove your website, I mean timebucks websites from here. Then you can receive your notification, right? And you also must here allow to send notification. If your website, I mean timebox, here not existing, look here, this is a timebox. So one hand we have allowed the sending notification here, timebox is a here, and the other hand first you are set by or setting up or set up your setup is not allowed to sending notification. So this is a problem. So now I can remove here from this site, and if you have already entered this timebucks.com here, it's good like me, you can see here. So first we remove from here a timebox. So click on it, and downside you select the remove, and when you remove it, it's disappear from here, right? And second thing is you can also check that your website of timebox is here, I mean allowed to send notifications. These are all the list of the websites which system can allow to send notification, right? So your website of a timebox.com is a must here for sending the notification of the push clicks, right? So I hope you are understand and you solve these problems. So please subscribe my channel and like the video, and if you learn that some things, please share it with others. So thank you, bye bye, God bless you.